Welcome back to Piston Power. Today, we're reviewing a machine built for power, durability, and performance here, the Honda Mighty 13 4x4 tractor. Whether you're working on the farm, handling heavy-duty tasks, or looking for a reliable off-road workhorse, this tractor promises to deliver. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Honda Mighty 13 is designed for tough jobs, and its rugged exterior reflects that. It features a strong, reinforced chassis built to handle rough terrains. The 4x4 drivetrain ensures maximum traction, whether you're working on muddy fields, uneven land, or steep slopes. The front grille is sturdy, the headlights are bright for night operations, and the overall build quality feels solid. Honda has kept the design practical, focusing on durability over flashy aesthetics. Step inside, and the operator's cabin is all about comfort and control. The ergonomic seating ensures that long hours on the field don't feel exhausting. The control panel is intuitive and easy to use, allowing farmers and operators to adjust settings quickly. The power steering system makes handling effortless, even on bumpy terrain. Honda has also improved vibration and noise reduction, making the Mighty 13 more comfortable than many competitors in this segment. Under the hood, the Honda Mighty 13 is powered by a high-performance diesel engine, delivering efficient fuel consumption while maintaining impressive power. This tractor is built to pull heavy loads, handle plowing, and manage large-scale farming tasks without breaking a sweat. The 4x4 system ensures that even in wet or slippery conditions, you get optimal grip and stability. Plus, Honda's reputation for reliability means fewer breakdowns and lower maintenance costs over time. One of the standout features of the Mighty 13 is its versatility. It's compatible with various attachments, from plows and harrows to trailers and water pumps. Whether you're a farmer, a construction worker, or someone needing a heavy-duty utility vehicle, this tractor adapts to your needs. Pricing for the Honda Mighty 13 4x4 tractor varies depending on region and customization options, but it remains a cost-effective solution for those needing a balance of power, efficiency, and durability. With Honda's legendary reliability, a powerful 4x4 system, and a comfortable ride, this tractor is a top choice in its class. What do you think of the Honda Mighty 13? Would you pick it over other 4x4 tractors? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more powerful reviews only on Piston Power.